Poipat Shakari, Bangladesh. Ka Urban Primary Health Center ka Badon Loomkyrwiang kala Pynlong ya ka orientation program hinin kesngi nakabenta ki dekot jong ka Mahila Arogya Samiti kabade ka kinhon jong ki longkme ki ba IT ban pen sngotu ha ka imlang sa lang halor ban pen bha ya ka kot ka khia bat ban weng ya ki jing e ki bia day bat ka kot ka khia ka jing thmu ba khmat e jong ka de ka program orientation kalong ban kintiu ya ka jing e day ka bajan ha padeng ki nong tre jong ka jaka ai jing sumar ki asha bat ki dekot jong ka Mahila Arogya Samiti hakishnong baper. Hagariga jo kasngi la buuru ya ka jaka ai jing sumar ba kirpang da ka PHC Loomkyrwiang haka community hall jong ka dorbar shnong.
Gets its birth dose in the hospital wherever it is born, the child is born, then it has to come at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks and at 9 months to get its immunization to be fully immunized. After that, the child has to come between 16 to 24 months for complete immunization, then at 5 to 6 years and then at 10 and at 16 years when the person becomes an adolescent. So it is very important for us to make the community understand that if we will not immunize our children, we will lose precious lives only because we didn't go and we didn't get the vaccination.